Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the upper function in Excel. So most of the times in your day-to-day life you might get your data in Excel and you have to change the case of a particular string, and then you have to use this uppercase. So this upper function in Excel converts a text string to all the uppercase later. And this upper function takes just one argument, which is a text, and it can be text value or any of the cell reference. So for upper you can simply put equal to upper, and then you can see here it asks for only one argument, which is text. Either you can give a text something like this, or what you can do is that you can give a cell reference in which there is a text. So let's take this one. Now you can see here that the lane 5 South lane 5 Delhi NCR India is in smaller case. With this uppercase formula we have changed this entire smaller case text into the uppercase text. So whenever you're using this uppercase, you have to note that this upper formula does not affect any number or punctuation or spaces, because this upper function changes any lower character into text value to the uppercase, while the numbers, punctuation and spaces are not affected with the string. Upper will convert the number to a text. So whenever you will use this upper function on a number, it will change that number into a text. So let me show you an example. Suppose I have 5 here, okay, and we'll put a formula is num or is number. It should give us true. So this formula tells us that 5 is a number. So let's use upper function on this 5. As you can see, it does not affected this 5. 5 is a numeric value, so it does not change it into uppercase. What it did is that it changed the data type of this 5. Earlier this 5 was numeric, but now after applying this uppercase on this 5, it changes it into a string. So let's again check this formula, or let's put this formula for this 5. As you can see, when we have applied this is number formula on this cell G9, it says false. This means that the upper will convert number to text with number formatting removed. The number or the punctuation character inside a text string are unaffected here. And if a numeric value is given to the upper, the number formatting is removed. So whenever you have to change the case of a particular string, or you want to change the lowercase string into an uppercase string, or a proper case string into an uppercase string, then you can use this upper function. So in this example here, we have to get the customer address in uppercase. In order to do that, we'll simply put equal to upper, and we'll take this cell range, which is C6. We'll close the bracket and press enter, and this entire string value is converted into uppercase. Now if I drag this formula, you will see that entire value for this range is converted into uppercase. So this is how basically you can use the upper function in Excel to convert a text string to all uppercase letter.